How to modify display settings after updating the system properties. Once you log into your IOC, you would need to do the following. Go to the system properties page, which you can do on the top left menu in the operations page under administration and system administrations. Once you are there, you could be able to update the system property, for example I-18 locale, and add an alternative language like Italian IT. Once after saving that, you should be able to move to the edit profile page, which is there on the top right menu. And once that page is loaded, you can change the preferred language to Italian as seen in this example, or modify the time zone or distance unit or color scheme or calendar type. On having saved those changes, you should be able to see the reload page button, and then everything is visible in Italian. You can confirm the same from the operations page or operazioni page, and there you can see that, for example, the menu items are all in Italian, the taskbar items like activity for SOPs and the filter panel are all in Italian. Thank you very much for viewing this tutorial.